हाउ आर यू फ्रेंड्स, कैसे आप लोग? ठीक है जी। सो टुडे वी डिस्कस अबाउट द सीक्रेट ऑफ बर्मुडा ट्रायंगल। This is the triangle known as Bermuda. This is triangle Puerto Bermuda and Florida. The Bermuda. What did people think about the Bermuda Triangle in the past? There are many bizarre and mysterious situations that we cannot prove or disprove. Could they be right? Anything is possible. Perhaps UFOs are the causes, are the monsters. It could be the contents, introduction, theories, facts, the conclusion, the bibliography. The introduction. World ocean keep many secrets. The first among them is the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle, where many ships and airplanes have disappeared in visible time. The legend about this strange area have already been known for about 100 years, but no anybody can still explain strange phenomena taking place in this enchanted triangle. Location: the Bermuda Triangle is a legendary area of Atlantic between Puerto Rico, Florida and the Bermuda Island, in which the opinion of many explorers a lot of uncountable event happens. This is the map. This is the Bermuda Triangle. The cause of speculation in this appearance of ships and airplanes, which happens here too often. As a rule, the catastrophes in the sea and air take place very quickly. Before that, all on board tools usually fall out, particularly navigation system, control system and communication facilities. The hypothesis: gases and vapors having unknown to science physically and chemically properties break out the crack on the ocean bottom to surface of the earth with enormous energy. These properties make magnetic field destroying ship and airplanes. When power of these gases and vapors is not great, they don't do any harm, but they cause hallucination and delirium from the member of the crew. Because of that, people plunk into the water and drown. Number 4. The reason for disappearance of the ships and the airplane may be the hydrate of methane, which is formed at the depth of more than 300 meters at the temperature of about 2 degrees above zero. The conditions on the bottom of the Bermuda Triangle are just the same. This substance is very unstable and easily turned into the gaseous state. Powerful eruption of methane underwater, resulting in churning of it. Because of that, the density of the water or air descending sharply and they can't secure flotation of ships or fear to fall flying. Another variant is possible that the work of aircraft altimeter is based on the measurement of air density. Because of the spike of methane, they begin to show that the airplane is rising unexpectedly and the pilot has to lose height into the water. Number 5. The solution of secret of the Bermuda Triangle may be rogue waves. Some time ago they were considered non-existing, but now because of satellite survey their existence is proved. Usually storm wave reach maximum altitude about 15 meters. The super wave, whose precise origin is until known, grown up to 13 meters. The vertical wall of water and deep pit can be seen before it. Such waves beat with the force of 100 tons, while contemporary vessel can withstand the impact of 15 tons. According to the fact of the satellite of ESA, every year in the world ocean in the area of 115,000 square kilometer minimum one wave appears. Damage were given by a Norwegian tanker named Wilster in 1947 because of the wave about 10 meters. Sometime in the Bermuda Triangle, since UFO people from Atlanta, mystery creature FBI who's tested Tesla technology are accused what is really happening in the Bermuda Triangle. Formerly a lot of airplane ships have disappeared there. Some fact about the Bermuda Triangle. Planes and ships have disappeared in this triangle. Over 8,000 people have disappeared in this triangle. People have had instruments such as compass stop working while in the triangle. There has also been strange yellow fog seen in that area. Flight 19 on December 5, 1945, 5 bomber TBM-3 Avenger were disappeared there. 5 Navy bomber plane flying formation suddenly vanished on the route training mission in 1945. The Navy project managed studies force around the world. It has passed over the area many times and has not found any unusual magnetic disturbance. Magnetism related to Bermuda Triangle. In Bermuda Triangle, where magnetic north and true north actually match, navigators have to remember not to compensate, otherwise you will be wind off course in the middle of the ocean. The last time someone disappeared in the triangle, it has just been in 2003 when anyone has disappeared in triangle. There are steps, some reported technochemical difference from people going through the triangle. In 1942, Christopher Columbus was on his famous journey which would eventually lead him to the West Indies. He noted that ship's compass was acting strangely and giving inaccurate reading in the Sargasso Sea, and at one point he saw a frat hall of fire shoot across the sky. Christopher Columbus, what we have learned a lot about the Bermuda Triangle and something that happens, like how many people have disappeared in it. We have learned about the incident in the triangle, such as a flight 19. Conclusion: the Bermuda Triangle has been under learning from 1915. It is impossible to describe all that hypothesis explaining my mysterious event in this research work which take place in Bermuda. But we can continue the scientific work on this subject because we have a lot material to study and interesting describe the waiting for us. It is the mysterious which excited brains of many people, and sometime it will be revealed. So thank you guys. This is all about the basic information of Bermuda. Some people says that it is the headquarters of American intelligence agencies. So thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.